Hello everyone, it's our story time. Let's read the story together. The Red Hen. Once a red hen met a big dog. The hen had a new bed. The dog saw the bed and said, "May I sit?" The hen said, "Yes." The dog sat on the bed. The bed was soft and red. The dog and the hen had fun. They ran, they dug, and they hid. At the end of the day, they sat on the red bed. They had a nap and felt glad. Does the correct spelling? Bed, bed, bed. Like, like, like. Glad, glad, glad. Dig, dig, dig. Nice, nice, nice.